Okay, we've got somewhere in the 90s SL55 or SL560, depending what they called it at the time. I did a 3000 wet sand on the driver door, front and both rear fenders. Clay bar the whole car. It had paint overspray all over it. Had a lot of stuff. Basically, the reason I wet sanded the rear fenders in this door is because of inconsistent body work from the past. That all blends in better now. Did a 3000 wet sand on the hood and then a 5-stage compound on the whole car. Engine came out very nice, as these usually do when they haven't been molested too much. You've got the diamond fusion coating on the paint, and also I do a special ceramic coating on the convertible top. The water will repel for a couple of years, just like it was a brand new top. The glass has been done in the Flyby Forte glass protection. It's ready to go. Tomorrow I'll just go over the windows again and we'll get it back to you in the early afternoon. Total's $1,400. Thank you.